So team, had to revert to the old school joint. Painted the rear shits, got them all pretty and shit, just to find out that the rubber joint on the piston was ripped. That shit would not hold any brake fluid. So just touched up my own joints, cleaned them off. Really kind of went ham with the cleaning. As you see, I got the brake cleaner, got the steel brush. You know what I'm saying? Just really cleaned them shits off as best as I could, and then went for the spray paint. I went fucking stupid only because I am changing the rotors and I'm changing the brakes, so I'm not really too worried about the rotors. Everything else, I'll probably clean all this overspray off once it's time to swap out the rotors, but just want to keep y'all in the loop. That's what we doing. Like I said, you know, caliper paint. Let's go. So we working on the front. Sprayed it down, cleaned it with the brake cleaner, scrubbed it down with my stainless steel brush. Prepped it, you know what I'm saying? You can see the gray in there, then hit it with that first coat of the red. Get around here. See, we got the red, got the primer, whoop. Brake cleaner. Same thing here. Brush, cleaned it down with the brake cleaner. See, as thorough as possible, so that shit was squeaky clean for the most part. Primed it. After I primed it, hit it with the first layer of the caliper paint, which is what you see now, while you still see it's not looking like the rear as of yet. So 3 coats. First coat is just to get it on there so everything is good. We'll have something to adhere to. Second coat, we're looking for maximum coverage. Third coat, full coverage. Let's go. Don't even trip on the rim. I mean the rotor or the brakes. Those shits is definitely getting changed. That's why I took the opportunity just to show you how to do it now. If you were planning to change your rotors and your brakes, which I am planning on doing tonight, I just wanted to get these shits red, so now when I do the swap, stainless steel brake lines, if I could get this fucking other rear joint, I'll be good to go. But I got everything for the most part. So calipers red, you know what I mean? Definitely looking flat, bro. I already got everything loose. The brake caliper bracket, the caliper itself, all the bolts, the 19, the 14, all of those is broke loose, good to go. Now I need to see if I can't get these bleeder valve shits to turn. That's probably my next strike. This shit's right here. And we be good. But we looking good, team. You know? Yay? We in. Y'all already no. Red brake calipers on deck. That's what I'm looking for. Next, got this little bit of bum ass rain. It look like we about to get some rain. Come through and change the rotors, brake calipers, and the brake lines. Well, I should have wrapped. You already know, squad. Alright, we're shaking, team. I know you're probably looking like, what the fuck? These are my stainless steel brake lines. Took them off my car. Had them sitting in this for a couple days now. So, see. Brake lines, right? You see how I actually have the brake fitting. There we go. In there. Still in there. So have those sitting. I think they are 17 millimeter, and I'll get my 17 millimeter socket. I'm sorry, my 17 millimeter wrench, and then I'll see if I can just get my vice grips, and they should be good to go as long as they've been sitting, and they should just turn right out. So now all I gotta do is go to Home Depot and pick up some more washers. Should be good, team. Hi team, so just fucking around with these stainless steel brake lines. I was able to get the front ones off with no problem, being that I didn't really strip the threading here. But for the rear shits, man, oh man. Let me see if I can't use my dermal just to grind down some of the sides maybe till I get it even, because that shit is rounded off. Or I can go to my car and see if I can't get my trusty bolt extractor and see how that shit plays out. But 2 down, 2 to go. Y'all already know. Alright, team. Struggle was real with this one. Let's see how I play out for the other one. But what I resorted to, again, with leaving it in, use my dermal. Just want to charge the battery. As you see, there's no battery. What I did with this one is I grinded down the sides, like I said, so I could get a nice grip on this shit. So I grinded this side, flip it over, grinded that side. Got a nice grip with the pliers, 19mm wrench to go on the actual brake line itself on that, and it came off. This shit though, I don't know, this shit ain't trying to come out. So I'm gonna grind it down a little bit more to see if I could get a better grip or a tighter grip. See if I can twist it. If not, this is gonna be the shit. I need to go and cut the tip of this off and then drill and tap this joint so I could get a new one in there. But we'll see what's up. Alright team, I ain't even gonna hold y'all, bro. I demolished this shit trying to get this shit off, B. This shit was like the fucking Clash of Titans to get this last shit out, B. Not even gonna hold you. Vice grips. Had to go get my fucking bolt extractor. Cam front. I grinded this shit down until this one fit because this one was too big. So now grinded this down with my dermal. Grinded that down with my dermal. I take it, I just took it. I took it over here. So, dermal. But once I grinded this shit down, I was able to get a nice grip and make it fit. Kind of banged my, bang the socket down with my ratchet. And yeah, vice grips on one side. With this in, again, had the socket and everything lined up with the vice grips on here. Shit came off, team. So now what I would like to do as a little protective maintenance with the stainless steel brake lines, I'm gonna clean them off. Gonna use the brake cleaner, clean off the actual line itself. Want to clean this up, so I'm probably gonna end up just spray painting this black, but not a regular black. I'm gonna use the rust barrier on here and on here, but I want to tape off the tips here and the tip up here so no paint will get in there, and this should definitely help with the longevity of the service of the brake line. I mean, everything is good. I had these for a few years now, so they're definitely newer than the brake lines that are on the car. Yeah, team, ready to do the swap, B. Let's get this shit upgraded.